Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is March 26th. We do have grains working a little bit lower. Corn down a penny, beans down 3. Wheat actually up a penny and a half, we'll say. But we're seeing, after seeing all the short covering from the last 4 or 5 sessions, we've seen some very good strength. But now we're starting to hear producers start to ask, what do we do for this acreage report? What do we do now that the market has rallied? Producers are still hanging on to a lot of grain out there that needs to be priced or protected or whatever. And I think what we're seeing right now, we may end up getting a little setback here as we start to see farmers make some sales ahead of the acreage report. The expectations, looking for some big acres for corn, some big acres in beans, but the concern that we've just rallied, can we hold the strength? Now, a lot of the rally has been, as I mentioned, short covering, but also the reaction to the dollar that has fallen sharply, and also the rise in crude oil. But that dollar down again, 30 cents today, and you got crude oil up $1.15. As I mentioned, we've got the grains that are down right now, and we'll see if we're starting to break away from some of these other outside influences and really focusing on what is ahead. Next Tuesday's acreage report, also quarterly stocks, probably going to see a lot of volatility going into that report and expecting to see that possibly continue. We did have export sales out this morning for corn. They were expecting 400,000 to 600,000. They got 435 for old crop. As far as beans, 100,000 to 300, 505.8. So better than expected as far as bean sales today. And then for wheat, 200,000 to 400 came in at 102. So kind of negative there on wheat. We did see another 280,000 tons of beans sold to unknown this morning at 8 o'clock. So still making some sales. That may give a little support to the market as we reopen at 8:30. But new sale made again here this morning. That could be supportive, as I mentioned. Crude oil up $1.15 right now. We're at 50.35. There's talks out there that Al-Qaeda trying to topple the Yemen government and really causing some geopolitical turmoil. Now, that's a shipping pinch point for crude where I think that's giving a little bit of excitement today. And seeing if that situation will escalate or not. So keep an eye on that, but crude oil is a little stronger right now. Looking at livestock, cattle up 7, box beef though very strong overnight. Choice up 368, select up 236. No bids out there yet as far as cash. No trades, obviously. We'll have to see what happens as we go into tomorrow. But hogs, they're up 57 cents. A nice rebound yesterday. Up again today, finding a little strength. That's even with cutout values falling 99 cents yesterday. But we'll keep an eye on that. There is a hog and pigs report out tomorrow that we could end up seeing some negative numbers. So not really looking for much more to the upside going into that report. So be careful there with the hogs. Stock market down 84 right now. Gold up $6. Silver up about 2 cents. So relatively quiet for the metals. But give us a call if you have any questions out there. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.